Now, President Marcos has ordered an investigation into the background of controversial Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo. He says none of the politicians that he knows over in Tarlac even knows who she is. JC Cosico with that report.
Even President Bongbong Marcos admitted that he finds questionable the origins of Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo. In an ambush interview during his visit to Cagayan de Oro, Marcos says he knows many politicians in Tarlac, but none of them knows who Guo is.
At saka paano siya tumakbo ng mayor. Nagtataka kami kung saan nanggaling ito, bakit ganito ito, hindi namin malaman. Kaya kailangan talagang imbestigahan.
In a text message to News 5, Solicitor General Menardo Guevara says they are now looking into Guo's citizenship as well as her eligibility to run for and hold public office. Guevara says if they find her ineligible or unqualified, she will have to forfeit her possession or get kicked out of office. The controversy sparked after the Senate started a probe into the raid of a Pogo hub in Bamban back in March. In the hearing, Senator Risa Ontiveros flagged what she described as the mayor's dubious background. While the country continues to deal with illegal pogos, President Marcos says the government will strictly enforce rules for the entry of foreign nationals into the country. The Foreign Affairs Department earlier said it plans to tighten its visa requirements for Chinese nationals, citing a rise in illegal activities involving them in the Philippines.
Walang special na rules para sa kahit na kanino. Pantay-pantay lang lahat. Pero gagandahan namin ang enforcement doon sa examination, doon sa mga nag-a-apply ng visa o doon sa mga nagko-convert doon sa tourist visa ng student visa at yung mga bumibili ng lupa dahil nagtatanggap sila na Pilipino sila.
Marcos adds foreign nationals pretending to be Filipinos will be held accountable.
Una-una, hindi marunong mag-Tagalog, hindi marunong mag-Bisaya, hindi marunong magsalita ng Pilipino. At saka walang maipakita ng mga birth certificate, yung mga pinapakita ay fake. So, titiyakin namin na hindi na matatapos yun.
For News 5, JC Cosico, We Are One News.